Right guys, I'll just show you what we've been doing Thursday. I think it's Thursday, yeah, it is Thursday. So we've been doing some boat up at a Thomas Crompton site. Right there, balls are up.
Good morning YouTube, starts another week here at Airedale fencing. I think the winter's finally hit us here. Ooh, very cold, very cold. Here in West Yorkshire we've just about managed to avoid the snow. Look, there's no actual snow, it's like frosty. It has tried sort of snowing little bits, but no to worry about. I know down south because on some of the motorway networks got quite a sprinkling of snow, but yeah, we haven't seen it up here as yet. But yeah, so what we got on this week, we've got a 3 metre high job going round some like air conditioning units at an Aldi depot in I think it's Doncaster way, for our good friends at Jupiter Construction. That's today, and tomorrow they should get it finished and a little gate. And then Wednesday, Thursday, I think Friday, we'll start a little job actually not far from my yard, only about a mile away, so the lads will be happy with that. So I've been doing a lot of jobs in South Yorkshire lately, so yeah, we'll keep you updated as we go along. Hopefully the weather will keep a smile on his face. We're just down at a new job at Bramley here for our good friends from Thomas Crompton's. They're just in the middle of knocking some old garages down here from a block of flats in Leeds at Bramley. I'll just turn it round. Basically you can see them knocking these flats down here. We've still got sort of half of them to get down there, but basically we're going to start on this corner. We've just got to put some railings. Quite a simple job really, it's all bolt down on the inside of this wall. You can see it there on the inside of this wall here. We're just following it up there, just basically so people can't step off the edge here. Right, something out of the job. We're just obviously they're holding us up taking this down, but see we've got railings on there. So yeah, it's a nice little job. You might just have to wait a little while while Cromptons get the rest of theirs done, but apart from that, quite easy job, and hopefully the lads will get some videos as they're going on.
This is for the 3 metre high job at Aldi in Doncaster. Not a bad day, we've pretty much cracked on. As you can see, it's quite high stuff, and we'll get the gate in tomorrow. Dinner time, pretty much palisaded all this up. We've got to do a few cuts and bolts and gate down that side and we'll be done. Good afternoon. So, day 2 at the Aldi job. Got some photos this morning and a little video. And as you can see, we've basically finished. Fortunately, it was over meterage, so we are short about 9 pails. So I will be grabbing them from the stock that we've got at yard and coming back and putting them on. As you can see, it's looking very nice. So what were happening is people were using these to climb up the roof and obviously destroy the roof. You can see there's like black bags and all sorts up there. So now with the 3 metre palisade we've put up, they won't be able to get up there anymore. Well, until I come back and do these last couple of pails, that is. Even yesterday I'll show you actually. So yesterday obviously we've been putting this up. We've come back, and as you can see, if you so look at this just there, all that wasn't damaged yesterday. And now someone's been and booted it through, so we must get a bit of problems here. As you can see, we're a bit longer. We're about 25 metres, down as 21, so obviously we're about 9 pails short. We bought a few extra rails and stuff, so we'll get them on and jobs are going. So what we've done here is it's a 2.4 gate with an extender on the top. As you can see, we just cut the pails to the side, put them on, and it looks a lot better for it, a lot better for it. And we'll be done here, gate's nice and sorted. So yeah, we're going to be getting out of here. It's a 2-hour drive back, so yeah, let's go.
So yeah, I'm just over at Cross Green Industrial Estate over in Leeds. We've done a lot of works around here over the years. We're just at our friends at Floor Gas here. We've done most of their yard. Back in yard there, you can't go in because you've got to have special fire retardant suits on and everything, but the bit I'm just doing today, I'm just measuring on this outside of sound. Keep getting cars on a night, boy racers, so we've actually done that in distance probably 5-10 years ago now, but I'm just going to do the same palisade on here with some gates and join it up to this existing one here. It's probably one of the biggest industrial estates in Leeds is this. See, it's all palisade we did years ago, and we're just going to come round here with some double gates on here. Probably dig it in there, and then 6.8 metre gates, and then we turn it to there. Just so the open 180, this leaf here has got to be bigger than the other leaf, so this one will be 3.7 metres and that one will be 3.1 metres, opening up 180 degrees. So as you can see here, so the gate will open all the way back, and then the same with that one, it'll open all the way back. So yes, the fencing's 36.5 metres and the gate's 6.8 metres double leaf.
Good morning. So we're at Lowfield Primary School. Went and did the job the weld earlier this morning. What you'll see, welded the drop bolts on and just made them, obviously extended them just so they reach the ground. Lads are just on this job. So basically, it's that frozen. Even though you're digging into soil, you need a breaker. So it's one of them. So what we'll be doing is probably about halfway down we'll be going down half panels, a bit steep, and then it'll go running full panels all the way down to the end. And then where our vans are now, there's going to be a slight little cut, and then we'll run a panel out, a gate post, and then a panel to the wall, bolted to the wall, and that's this side done. So the rails were initially going to come down, but they're not going to come down now. What I think is probably the smartest decision, because they'll have a fence as the boundary so people can't get onto this side, and they'll also have the rail for people to hold on because it's quite steep, especially in this weather. So the other sides are a lot smaller, but there's another double gate going in. Both gates are 1.8 high by 3 metres wide double leaf gates. All this wooden fence is going to be staying as an extra little gate for them. We're going to be coming off the corner of this wall. I'll show you now. So we're going to be coming off the corner of this wall here. First supposed to be bolted. It'll come out. The gate's pretty much the same size as that, so ours will just land here. I've already measured it. I'll have enough room to open as it's opening that way. It's a double leaf gate, and then another post round here, and then tying on to the wooden post what's there. So it'll run into Monday, get it all done, and get dusted, and we'll get out of here. Stupid blurry video. Done for the day. It's pretty much been a bit of a slow day, but for this cold week, hopefully we get a better week next week, and let's see how it goes. But won't be too bad. So yeah, we're going to get out of here and we're going to go enjoy our weekend. So we'll see you later.
Crikey, cold one today. I think it was -3 this morning when I was scraping the ice off my car. Oh, we love winter, don't we? But just got to crack on, haven't we? But yeah, another good week here. We've finished quite a few jobs. We've done a job down in Leeds, some bolt down railings through our good friends Thomas Crompton's for Leeds City Council. And what else did we do? Oh yeah, start of the week we just finished that big Palisade job, and we've done another little Palisade job for our good friends at DB Fabrications. Thank you, Dave. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, smash that like button and subscribe for more.